Setting down roots in the land of maple leaf is an adventure filled with promise. Imagine stepping into a world where diverse cultures blend seamlessly and the great outdoors beckons with its majestic beauty. From securing the right visa to finding your cozy corner in the friendly neighborhood, the path to making Canada your new home is a path of discovery. And remember, it's not just about moving to a new place, it's about weaving your story into the vibrant tapestry of Canadian life. In the initial stages of your relocation, you may consider staying in temporary lodgings such as a hotel, motel, or a short-term rental property. These options provide flexibility and give you time to familiarize yourself with your new surroundings. As you settle in, you'll want to start looking for a more permanent residence. This could be a house, an apartment, or a condominium. You might want to consider factors such as proximity to work or school, availability of public transportation, safety of the neighborhood, and nearby amenities like grocery stores, parks, and recreational facilities. One of the most critical steps in establishing your new life is applying for your social insurance number, or SIN. The SIN is a unique 9-digit number issued by the Government of Canada. As an individual who's been granted Canadian citizenship or permanent residency, you're eligible for healthcare services. It's crucial to apply for health insurance in the province or territory where you live. Once you've applied, you will receive a health insurance card that you can use to show you're covered under the healthcare system. It's essential to open a bank account to manage your financial affairs in Canada. Having a local bank account will make it easier for you to receive payments like your salary or government benefits, pay bills, and manage your savings. It's highly recommended to register with the consulate or embassy of your home country once you move abroad. This registration can serve as an additional safety net while you're in a foreign country. The consulate or embassy can provide various forms of assistance such as help with lost or stolen passports, guidance during political unrest or natural disasters, and general advice on living and working in the host country. There are numerous organizations dedicated to helping newcomers adjust to their new surroundings. These organizations offer a wide range of resources and services, including language classes, job search assistance, cultural orientation sessions, and even help with finding housing. Depending on your aspirations and career goals, you might want to start job hunting or consider setting up your own business. If you're looking for employment, you can explore various job portals, networking events, or local employment agencies. If entrepreneurship is your path, you'll need to understand the local market, identify a viable business idea, and navigate the process of setting up a business, which includes creating a business plan, securing funding, and understanding the legal requirements. It's essential to get acquainted with the local transportation system in your new city. This could include public transit like buses, trams, or trains, as well as other options like taxis, ride-sharing services, or even cycling paths. In addition to health insurance, it's important to consider other types of insurance coverage. This could include home insurance to protect your property, car insurance if you plan to drive, and life insurance to provide for your loved ones in the event of your death. Building a new social circle and professional network can play a crucial role in your integration process. You can join local clubs, participate in community events, or volunteer to meet new people. For professional networking, consider attending industry conferences, joining professional associations, or leveraging platforms like LinkedIn. By taking these steps, you can navigate the transition smoothly and successfully establish your new life in Canada. Join our vibrant community by subscribing to our channel for the latest updates and amazing content. Tap that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay in the loop.